Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate?
Hello dolls and welcome to an Eat Pretty episode. Today we are going to make my favorite green juice and it's very simple. All you are going to need are some green apples. Green. These are really small, so I'm going to be using 5 of them today. You need a cucumber and half a stalk of celery. Or you could just use the whole, I get a bag of green apples and I get 2 cucumbers and I get a whole celery, and you can just juice it all at once and just put it in the fridge when you're done. Because it's a lot of juice. So I juice like in advance, if that makes sense. So I've got my juicer right here. This is like the most simple recipe ever. Don't even worry about it. All you need is a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, use a blender, and then you can either use cheesecloth, a strainer, or a clean sock. This is gonna be your green juice sock, but back when I was a teenager and my parents wouldn't buy me my own freaking juicer, I literally would use a sock. It was clean, and I used one sock because it turned green. You do what you gotta do, it's fine, no judging. So, here we go.
There's no ceiling, I broke down the walls. I'm on fire, I can't be rattled. I'm on top, I've won my battles. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. Oh, how I've waited for this to come around. Been such a long time coming, I'm ready now. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. There's no ceiling, I broke down the walls. Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just
Okay, in true Eat Pretty fashion, we have a giant Olivia Pope wine glass, and I've started cutting a cucumber. We're going to attempt to use as a gorgeous garnish for our gorgeous green juice. And you can use do this if you want to do a juice cleanse, if you just want some extra hydration, if you're I don't know, trying to drink less alcohol but you still want something fun, but this is nourishing your body. I'm your girl. So we have our wine glass, and I'm thinking we will just lay it in there, and then I think maybe to keep it to stay in this might not work like I want it to. I need to add ice to hold it in place, maybe. Maybe if we just get some in here. Excuse me. Kiwi. I'm obviously a great cocktail maker. Okay. Really thought it would stick better, but here we are. Our hands all over everything. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this with ice, so it's la piscine. I'm going to attempt to juice these. Oh yeah, that's what we needed. Okay, so maybe I should make it symmetrical-ish. Now just come on. Okay. Oh, you guys! Stop looking at my face and look at this gorgeous. Okay. So this has a little catch, which I love to keep the foam and pulp from coming out at first. But then what I'll do with this is I just put it in the fridge and save it for tomorrow. I already know what this tastes like, so it's not a taste test I've never had it before, but she's cute.
That's beautiful.
Okay, now I need your help to take pictures of me, please. Actually, I can probably just take selfies.
Why did you ask me how I was feeling?
Because your eyes look like you're not feeling good.